Most Kia Seltos owners drive their SUV for years and only ever use maybe a third of what it can actually do. They pair their phone, set the mirrors, and never touch another menu again. But tucked inside the driver profile system, the UVO Connect app, and the settings menu on that touchscreen are functions most dealerships never walk you through at delivery. Some of these save you real money on fuel and maintenance. Some of them are safety features that are quietly working in the background without you knowing they exist. And a few of them are just genuinely cool tricks that make the Seltos feel like a much more expensive vehicle than it is. We're going through 20 of them, one at a time, so grab your key fob because you're going to want to try a few of these the second this video ends. Some take 30 seconds to set up in a menu, others are already running right now without you realizing it. And by the end of this list, you'll understand your Seltos in a way most owners simply never do. Function number 1, driver profile. Personalization. Every smart key that pairs with your Seltos can store its own driver profile. The moment you unlock the door with a specific key fob, the seat position, mirror angles, climate preferences, and even infotainment settings shift to match whoever is holding that key. The problem is most households never set this up, so every driver just fights over the same seat position every single day, and someone always ends up driving with the mirrors pointed the wrong way for the first mile. The fix is simple. Go into the vehicle settings, create a profile for each driver, and link it to their individual key fob. Once that is done, the Seltos remembers each person automatically, and that daily seat adjustment argument disappears for good. It's a 5-minute setup that pays off every single time someone new gets behind the wheel. Function number 2, UVO Connect Remote. Start and climate. The UVO Connect app lets you start the engine and set the cabin temperature from your phone before you ever walk outside. Owners who never activate the subscription miss out on genuinely useful comfort control, especially in extreme heat or cold. The consequence is a scorching hot cabin every summer afternoon and a frozen steering wheel every winter morning, forcing several uncomfortable minutes of driving before the climate system finally catches up. Once the app is linked to your VIN and the remote start feature is enabled, you can trigger a preconditioned cabin from your desk, your couch, or your driveway. It is one of the simplest quality-of-life upgrades the Seltos offers, and it barely gets mentioned at the dealership. Many owners find out about it months later from a friend when it should really be one of the first things set up at delivery. Function number 3, digital key sharing. Certain Seltos trims support sharing your digital key with another smartphone, letting a family member or friend unlock and start the vehicle without a physical fob ever changing hands. Owners who don't know this exists end up juggling spare keys or handing over their only fob when someone borrows the car, sometimes leaving themselves without a working key for the rest of the day. Setting up digital key sharing through the Kia Connect app solves that instantly, and it can be revoked remotely if the phone is lost. It is especially useful for families sharing one vehicle between a teen driver and a parent, since access can be granted or cut off in seconds without anyone physically handing over a fob. Function number 4, terrain mode on AWD trims. All-wheel drive. Seltos trims include a terrain mode selector with settings tuned for snow and mud conditions. Drivers who never leave the default drive mode lose out on genuinely improved traction control calibration when the pavement disappears. The result is more wheel slip and less confidence on a snowy driveway or a muddy trailhead, particularly on the first icy morning of the season when the system hasn't been checked all year. Selecting the appropriate terrain mode before conditions get rough adjusts throttle response and traction intervention automatically, giving the AWD system a real chance to do its job properly. It's a setting worth making a habit of checking before the first snowfall each year, not after you're already stuck in the driveway. Function number 5, drive mode select. Beyond terrain settings, the Seltos includes normal, eco, sport, and smart drive modes that change throttle mapping, transmission behavior, and steering weight. Many owners never touch this dial and drive in the default mode for the life of the vehicle, missing meaningful fuel savings in eco or a noticeably sharper throttle response in sport, and never getting to feel what the Seltos is actually capable of outside of normal mode. Cycling through the modes on the console lets you match the car's behavior to the drive you're actually doing, whether that's a fuel-conscious commute or a twisty back road. Over a full tank of gas, sticking with eco mode on a daily commute can make a noticeable difference at the pump compared to leaving the car in normal all the time. Function number 6, blind spot view monitor. When the turn signal is engaged on equipped trims, a live camera feed of that side of the vehicle appears directly in the driver's instrument cluster. Drivers who don't realize this exists rely only on mirrors and standard blind spot warning chimes, missing the extra visual confirmation this system provides, especially useful at night when headlight glare makes mirror checks less reliable. It is especially valuable in tight lane change situations on the highway, and it activates automatically once the turn signal is used, so there is nothing extra to remember. Once drivers get used to glancing at the cluster during a lane change, checking mirrors alone starts to feel incomplete. Function number 7. Highway Driving Assist. On trims equipped with this feature, the Seltos can manage both steering and speed together on mapped highways, easing driver fatigue on long trips. Owners who never engage it are left doing all the lane centering and speed adjustment manually on stretches where the system could be sharing the load, which adds up to real fatigue on a 3 or 4 hour highway trip. Activating it requires both adaptive cruise and lane centering to be turned on simultaneously through the steering wheel controls, and it disengages the moment the driver's hands leave the wheel for too long, which keeps the system firmly in an assist role rather than full autonomy. Drivers who use it regularly on their commute often describe arriving home noticeably less tired than they used to. Function number 8. Rear Occupant Alert. Using an ultrasonic sensor in the headliner, this system detects movement in the back seat after the vehicle is locked and can send a phone notification or sound the horn. Parents who don't know this feature exists rely purely on memory to check the back seat, which is exactly the kind of lapse this system is designed to catch. And it's especially valuable during hectic mornings juggling drop-offs, errands, and a distracted mind. It requires no setup beyond having the rear doors opened at some point during the trip, and it works quietly in the background every single time the vehicle is parked and locked. It's the kind of feature nobody thinks about until the one moment it genuinely matters. Function number 9. Heated Steering Wheel Activation. On equipped trims, the heated steering wheel is controlled by a small button that is easy to overlook among the climate controls. Owners who never find this button spend entire winters gripping a cold wheel for the first several minutes of every drive, often driving with one hand tucked in a jacket sleeve out of habit. It typically needs to be activated each time the vehicle starts, since it is not always tied to a memory setting. So getting in the habit of pressing it before pulling out of the driveway makes a noticeable difference on cold mornings, especially for anyone parking outside overnight through a real winter. Function number 10. Ventilated Front Seats. Higher Seltos trims include ventilated seats that pull air through small perforations in the leather to reduce heat buildup during hot weather. Owners unaware of this control often endure sticky, overheated seating for an entire summer without realizing a fix was built in the whole time, especially after the car has been baking in a parking lot all day. The control is usually paired with the heated seat button and just needs a second press to cycle into ventilation mode, making it one of the most underused comfort features on the vehicle, particularly for anyone doing long summer drives in warmer climates. Function number 11. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Depending on trim and model year, the Seltos supports wireless smartphone projection, meaning the phone never has to be plugged in to mirror navigation and media. Owners who don't realize this is active keep reaching for a cable out of habit, adding unnecessary clutter to the console and wearing out charging ports faster than necessary. Confirming the wireless connection setting is enabled in the phone projection menu removes the cable entirely, and the phone can stay in a pocket or wireless charging pad the whole drive, which also means one less worn-out cable rattling around the center console. Function number 12. Bose Premium Sound System Tuning. Trims with the Bose audio upgrade include a dedicated equalizer with presets tuned specifically for the Seltos cabin. Owners who never open the sound settings menu are left with a flat, generic mix that doesn't take advantage of the system's actual capability, essentially paying for a premium speaker upgrade without ever hearing what it can really do. Adjusting the equalizer presets or manually tuning bass, mid-range, and treble through the infotainment audio menu unlocks noticeably richer sound, especially on Bluetooth streaming, and it's worth revisiting after any major infotainment software update since preferences can occasionally reset. Function number 13. Ambient Interior Lighting. Certain trims allow the interior ambient lighting color to be customized through the settings menu, adding a subtle personalization touch to the cabin at night. Most owners never open this menu and drive with the factory default color for the life of the vehicle, unaware there's an entire range of tones available at no extra cost. Cycling through the available colors under the vehicle settings takes less than a minute and gives the cabin a noticeably different feel after dark, which is a small touch, but one that owners often mention as their favorite hidden personalization option. Function number 14. Smart Cruise Control with Stop and Go. This system allows the Seltos to slow to a complete stop in traffic and resume automatically without the driver touching the pedals, provided the stop is brief. Drivers who only use standard cruise control on the highway miss out on real fatigue reduction during stop-and-go commuting, which is exactly the driving condition most people deal with every single weekday. Engaging it requires setting the following distance and speed through the steering wheel controls, and the system will chime if it needs the driver to confirm resuming after a longer stop, which keeps the driver appropriately involved even while the heavy lifting is automated. Function number 15. Lane Following Assist. Working alongside standard lane keeping, this feature makes small, continuous steering corrections to keep the Seltos centered in its lane rather than just reacting when a line is crossed. Owners who never activate it experience more of a ping-pong feeling from basic lane keep assist alone, bouncing gently between lane markers instead of tracking smoothly down the center. It is toggled through the driver assistance menu and pairs naturally with Smart Cruise Control for a noticeably smoother highway experience, particularly on long, gently curving interstate stretches where basic lane keep tends to feel twitchy. Function number 16. Remote Smart Parking Assist. On equipped trims, this feature can pull the Seltos into or out of a tight parking spot using the key fob while the driver stands outside the vehicle. Owners who don't know this exists struggle with the same tight garage or narrow spot every single day, sometimes avoiding a convenient parking spot altogether just because it looks too tight to bother with. Holding the designated button on the key fob while standing a safe distance away activates the maneuver, and it is particularly useful in narrow garages where opening the doors fully isn't an option, or in tight shopping center spots hemmed in by oversized trucks on either side. Function number 17. Kia Connect Store Add-ons. Beyond the standard connected services, the Kia Connect Store offers additional subscription features like enhanced navigation and remote services that aren't active by default. Owners who never browse the store are missing upgrades that could genuinely improve daily use of the vehicle, since many of these features are added long after the original purchase date and never get announced loudly. Checking the store periodically through the UVO or Kia Connect app reveals what's currently available for the specific trim and model year, since offerings do shift over time as new services roll out. Function number 18. Head-up display. On the highest Seltos trims, key information like speed and navigation prompts can be projected onto a small panel that rises from the dashboard, keeping the driver's eyes closer to the road. Owners who never adjust the settings may leave the display dimmer or angled incorrectly for their seating position, making it more of a distraction than the convenience it's designed to be. Fine-tuning brightness and height through the display settings menu makes this feature dramatically more useful during daily driving, and it's worth redoing whenever a different driver with a different seating position takes the wheel. Function number 19. Surround View Monitor. Using a combination of cameras around the vehicle, this system stitches together a simulated overhead view for tight parking maneuvers. Drivers who rely only on the rear view camera are missing a much clearer picture of exactly how close the Seltos is to curbs, poles, or other vehicles, which matters most in cramped parking structures with concrete pillars everywhere. It typically activates automatically at low speeds or can be pulled up manually through the camera button on the touchscreen, and it becomes second nature fast once a driver gets used to checking it before every tight maneuver. Function number 20. Hidden USB-C charging ports. Beyond the visible USB port near the infotainment screen, many Seltos trims include additional USB-C charging ports tucked under the climate controls or in the rear seat area. Owners who don't know these exist end up crowding a single port with multiple cables or leaving rear passengers without a charging option, which turns any road trip into a small negotiation over whose phone gets to charge first. A quick check around the lower console and rear seat back reveals the additional ports, instantly solving the charging cable shuffle on longer trips, especially with kids in the back seat all reaching for the same outlet. The bottom line. The Kia Seltos is packed with more capability than the window sticker ever really communicates, and most of it goes completely unused simply because nobody points it out. From driver profiles that end the seat adjustment fights to a rear occupant alert working quietly in the background, these functions were built to make ownership easier, safer, and a little more comfortable every single day. Take 10 minutes this week and go through your own Seltos menu by menu. From the driver profiles to the ambient lighting to the connected app, most owners forget is even installed on their phone. You might be surprised how much car you've actually been driving all along, and how many of these features were sitting there unused since the day you drove it off the lot. If this helped you get more out of your Seltos, subscribe for more videos just like it.